So this video is about being monetized and trying to get monetized quickly in 2025. This is also just a raw recording of me talking, and I had originally set out to start this channel and had shot multiple videos. You can see them here on screen. And I come from a background of video production and graphic design and motion graphics and stuff like that. And so obviously there's a certain level of production that I'm accustomed to when creating content. But I really wanted to start a new channel and just develop it from the ground up, specifically for entrepreneurs or content creators that are just beginning and have small channels or wanting to start, and helping show them how to grow that channel into a business, how to get monetized, how to, find views, all the things on YouTube, but also how to develop a product, or almost basically productize yourself, your skills, your knowledge, and how to sell those online. And so that's really what this channel is for. But in this video, I wanted to specifically talk about just being monetized and what it looks like. If you've never looked into monetization, it's a highly sought after topic or search topic on YouTube. People want to know about being monetized on YouTube with your channels. And so I just wanted to jump in and give my 2 cents on what it is, what it looks like, how to get there, and really what I think is beneficial for a new and smaller YouTube channel. So the first thing is people get it wrong, because last year YouTube added kind of this new feature level of monetization, or your earnings or whatever. And it brought it down from 1,000 subscribers to 500 subscribers. And then instead of 4,000 watch hours, it's 3,000 watch hours. And obviously there's shorts numbers. I think it's 3 million short views on that one. Essentially what that's doing is it's not making it easier or quicker to get into the YouTube partner program. What it's doing is making it easier to start making money. And so what that level does is opens up some features that you hadn't had before, and it gives you that opportunity to have those now. So the truth is that's not going to give you AdSense or anything like that, but what it will do is open up like channel monetization, So channel memberships, which is where the audience can support your channel, and you can give them exclusive content that only they see as a channel member. So that's a really neat way of being able to do that. Once you hit 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, you can start enabling that. And I plan to do that on this channel as well, to be able to just give a little bit more insight and behind the scenes to the growth of this new channel. But also you can get super chats or super stickers. So that's effective when you're a live streamer. So let's say that you want to do more content with live streaming. Well, they're going to be able to give you and send money in the chats and things like that when you're live streaming as well. And then also it allows you to do YouTube shopping. So if you have merch or, some different products or whatever you can integrate into your YouTube channel, you can kind of sell it from your channel as well. So that new lineup of features is pretty awesome for smaller creators, because then you can start making money before you ever get to AdSense or the YouTube partner program, which is still at 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. It's still at that level. That remains the same. So don't get that confused with the new the new levels or the new numbers that you can get to. So my strategy here on this channel is I want to start earning money before I get to 1,000 subscribers. So I've seen a number of times on YouTube where there are channels that are able to start earning revenue and income in different ways with only 500 or 600 subscribers on their channel. They're not needing the tens and thousands and hundreds of thousands of subscribers to actually start making a living. Obviously, they might not be full-time, but they're going to start making some income, and it gets them going in that direction. So that's what I want to do with this. I'm going to kind of focus on a hybrid strategy of YouTube Shorts and long form strategy. The shorts are important because it kind of gets broadly sown. So YouTube's going to push it out to a much wider audience, and it will still help build that subscriber base. However, it's not the most effective way to get the right audience there, and the audience that is going to maybe be purchasing things from you. So you don't want to focus only on YouTube Shorts to try to build up your channel. You want to do that supplementary to long form videos. So your long form videos, what they're going to do is they're going to start building trust, because someone's going to spend a lot of time with you. They're going to learn from you. And with trust comes an audience that sticks around, and then that brings growth to your channel. So that's what I'm going to focus on. Obviously, I kind of mentioned earlier, when I get to that 500 subscriber mark and the 3,000 watch hours, I am going to launch my first tier of channel membership, because there's a lot of videos that maybe just don't make the cut, and I'm going to want to throw them in there and kind of show you some deeper dive, or maybe some tricks, or some strategies or hacks, or whatever you want to call them. Some of these things that maybe are too complex to share just broadly on this channel. And so you're going to have some extra content that's exclusive to the membership. So I'm going to do that. I don't plan on doing live streams, so I'm not probably going to use super chats or anything like that. But if I do, maybe I'll do a Q&A or some other stuff that I will have that enabled as well. And then the other thing I'm going to be pushing is affiliate marketing. And that's really, I think, with any of your channels, almost every niche, it doesn't even matter what you're doing. Affiliate marketing is a big way of making some extra money. You can get affiliates from Amazon or any company that's offering that. You sign up, and then you're able to link, links in your description or your channel description. And when people click on them and they go and purchase something, you get a cut of that purchase. There's no extra charge to the person purchasing anything. The company sends you an affiliate payment. And so that's a good way of doing that as well, especially in a niche like mine, where I do a lot of video stuff or whatever with cameras and lenses. Those actually have a pretty high payout. So I'll be doing that as well on this channel. So why is now the best time to start a YouTube channel? You could have started years ago, and I've started a number of different YouTube channels over the years, none of them specifically on building a business, but really just more on the creative video production, or even editing, software side of things. This channel, I'm trying to build a business out of. I'm trying to build something from scratch. And so why is it important, or why do I think it's a good time to start? Well, I would say YouTube is a great place to start, because it's right now the #1 video platform in the world, and it has been for some time, and it's still growing. It's still getting new audiences every day. And so even though maybe back in the day you would have had less competition, the algorithm wasn't the same. It's not as fine-tuned as it is now. Today, they've really developed the AI algorithm from YouTube to be able to reach out and find the right audience. That's one of the biggest keys. It's not just this blanket audience. You're able to really find the right audience for your channel. So that's why I think right now is the best time to start. And if you are wanting to start, I would give you encouragement just to jump in and do it. And so I think AI tools, and shorts and things like that make it easier than ever. You're able to use AI tools to make shorts, or, to cut your video and edit it and add captions and even generate ideas. So today is a great day to start doing YouTube. I don't think it's late. I don't think it's too crowded. Obviously, you're going to deal with competition. You're going to need to stand out. And I think the way to stand out is being authentic. And that's really, that's why I'm doing this video like this in my home office with my treadmill and workout machines behind me, and no lighting, and just on my phone even, again, I could show these shots here. Like I have equipment to shoot and to really bring up the production level. And that's part of what I will talk about on this channel, is teaching you how to make high quality videos. But I also want to be able to be authentic and just real and talk about things, and not need the most perfect scripting and the most perfect, hooks and things here and there, because I'm talking to you. If you're still here, if you're still watching this video, I'm talking to you. I want to help you build your channel. I want to help you make high quality videos and make them faster and better. And I don't need to produce something crazy to be able to talk to you. Obviously, if I wanted to grow in a different way, it'd be different. And maybe I will eventually start producing higher quality videos like I'm even teaching, and I know I will. But I just felt like even this morning, I recorded 4 of them to kick off this channel. And I'm re-recording right now because I feel like it just wasn't authentic. It was me trying to have flash and to do all these things. Anyway, that's a side tangent there. But I do think now is the best time to start. And so if you're looking to do it, just jump in, start your channel and do that today. I think it's a great time. So what's next for my journey? I kind of talked about it already a little bit. I'm documenting my entire process. So that's every win, every mistake. That's going to be going into the back end of YouTube and showing my stats and showing kind of what the progression is every week. And it's really just letting you have an insight into the channel that I'm creating, but also, you know, any of my strategies that I'm trying to do. They're going to be real strategies. I'm not going to share fluff with you. I'm not going to have AI write things that I'm just going to give you. I want to test these things out. I want to take them and glean them and learn them from other creators. And so you're going to see real results and, you know, no theory. It's just going to be like practical stuff. So if you are into that, and again, if you're watching this channel is for you, these videos are for you. So subscribe, follow along, and let's grow our channels together. So, yeah, I think that's how I would do monetization. You know, I wanted to make sure that you guys up front knew the difference between the two different levels and sets of numbers and what those meant and that kind of stuff. But as well, wanted to give you my strategy and talk through how I'm planning on getting monetization and using different means to make money even before I have 1,000 subscribers. So that's pretty much it for this video. Again, if you think this is something you want to be a part of, hit subscribe. Also, leave a comment below and just give me what your biggest YouTube goal is. I would love to hear what that is. I'd love to hear where you're at. And so I'd love to build a community here. So leave a comment below and I'll see you guys in the next video.